when you come in to the RV. Well, first of all, there's a staircase. This is the door. It just looks like that. To your left, you get that, the control panels and all that. But when you first walk in, to your right, you have the bathroom and master bedroom, which we'll look at in a minute. Then we have the refrigerator. This is the biggest RV refrigerator on the market. The next size up after this is literally like a real fridge that you put in the kitchen. So it's a decent amount of space. Also, we have the stove and oven. Pretty okay, but it's pretty standard for RV stuff. And 3 burner stove. We got the glass protecting thing to cover or protect that. The stove has never ever been used, and neither has the microwave or the TV. It still has the tape and everything on it. Anyway, so microwave, brand new, never used it. Still has some stuff right there that we're supposed to take off. And so lots of cabinet space. I actually had a bunch of plates and bowls that I stuffed in there because we thought we were going to use it and never did. And a lot of cabinet space for junk that clearly never got used. Decent amount of storage space for your cleaning supplies and all of that. So over here, oh, the sink. The sink is amazing. Look at the sink. It's huge. And it's just a straight up normal everyday kitchen faucet. So I love that. I never got to use it, but it's beautiful, I think. Anyway, so nice. We got some windows, a lot of cross ventilation in this whole thing. And then that is the whole thing when it opens out, which Nandi is pulling the whole thing down. So over here, this is their living space. We have a nice couch right there, and this opens out into a bed. And then there's some more cabinets for your storage. We put a bunch of, I don't know, like kitchen appliances in here, napkins, cooking pot thing. Then onto this side, you have more storage. Okay, we stuffed a bunch of comforters in there. And then we have our chairs. These are not recliners. They're just kind of like rocking chairs a little bit. They rock. That's what they do. But they're still very nice and very comfy, squishy. Amara loves them. This table can come down. There's a table in between here, right there, that you can put together and put in the middle, and then now you have a table in between these 2 chairs, which are sofas obviously right now. But when you empty this out, we can actually turn each of these sofas into beds, and then we can raise them up a little bit higher. And also this bed at the top can come down, and then you got a set of bunk beds. Okay, and then that is the ladder for the bunk bed. Okay, so now going all the way over here, this is going to be where your temperature is. So it's 84 here. Obviously, it's very hot. So here's your restroom. I think it's a gorgeous restroom. Okay, so you have the toilet, works great. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be just fine. Okay, so here's the restroom. I love this restroom. It has this lovely backsplash thingy, and we got storage and shelving. Ba-boom. Nice, decent size sink for an RV. Obviously, it's not huge. And then, of course, you have your normal size medicine cabinet. Anyway, so here is the shower. Used it a few times when we made our trip to Florida, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, it's a pretty brand new shower. And we got this little window thing up here. It does not open, but this one does. And this is also your fan. And then here's another storage, which we put towels and such in there. Turn off the light. You can hang stuff there. Close that door. Now let's enter the master bedroom. Let me turn the light on. Okay, so this is quite lovely. I love the master bedroom, but it is really squishy when we are parked like this. Okay, this is a queen size. It's just a normal queen size bed. You can replace the mattress and put an amazing mattress in here. Just make sure it's a queen size. You don't need any kind of like RV custom anything like that. It's just a standard queen. And we got storage on both sides. Obviously you can't see the one over there. And then we got storage up here also. What's cool is that on that side it has those USB plugs for you to plug in your phone chargers and things like that. So it's a really nice thing, really nice. Very modern. There's your AC, and there is me. And here is your little wardrobe closet. And what happens is whenever you're parked and it's safe to go ahead and pull out the slider, you go ahead and slide this all the way out, and that's where you have a lot more space in the master. You're gonna have a lot more walk out space. And then you'll be able to access your clothing and everything that you put into your wardrobe when you do that. So can't really access this until we use the slider, and obviously we don't want to use it right here because we are not parked in a place where we can do that.
Did you hear that?
What happens over here is this is technically also, even though it's a bedroom and a living room, this is also the garage. So you can fold all this stuff up, take the table down, take that table down, move the seats either all the way up, or you can leave them there and kind of fold them. And then what happens is this is completely cleared out. You can go ahead and put these chairs to the side, and that becomes your garage. So you can actually put that's why they call us a toy hauler. You can, carry your toys, your dune buggies and things like that in it. Obviously, we don't have anything like that, but if we did, we would use it and take this whole thing. Yeah. Whole living space or entertainment space, living room, kind of an area. We got your chairs and the table right there. These are little rocking chairs. They are not recliners, but they're still super comfy, and babies like Amara love them. Right? Right. Anyway, and then on this side you have like this is the size of a love seat sofa with a long table that goes across, so you can go ahead and play your games. And you can also eat your food and your snacks while you watch your TV. The generator is on. We just turned it on, pressing that button right there that is glowing.
So the control panel for the generator.
That's the control panel for that stuff. And so you also turn on the AC right now, and it's starting to feel cold. So it definitely works. Yay.